In the heart of Japan's medieval era, a unique code emerged, a set of moral principles that governed the conduct of the samurai, the warriors of the land. This was the Bushido, the way of the warrior. The Bushido, a complex amalgamation of Zen Buddhism, Confucianism, and Shinto, was a guiding light for the samurai, providing them with a set of virtues to live by. The first virtue was rectitude, a strict adherence to morality and ethical conduct. This virtue was the foundation upon which the rest of the Bushido was built. Courage, another virtue, was essential for the samurai. It was not just physical bravery, but the courage to stand by one's principles, even in the face of adversity. Honor, another pillar of the Bushido, was paramount. A samurai's honor was his most prized possession, and he would rather die than dishonor himself or his family. Loyalty, a virtue that transcended life and death, was a fundamental aspect of the Bushido. A samurai was expected to be loyal to his lord, his fellow warriors, and his country. Respect, both for one's elders and one's superiors, was another virtue. It was a sign of maturity and wisdom, and it was expected of every samurai. Truthfulness was another essential virtue. A samurai was expected to be honest, not only in his words but also in his actions. Honorability was the final virtue. A samurai was expected to be honorable, not just in battle, but in all aspects of his life. The Bushido was not just a code, it was a way of life for the samurai. It was a set of principles that guided them, providing them with a moral compass in a time of chaos and turmoil. The Bushido, with its emphasis on honor, loyalty, and courage, continues to be a symbol of the samurai's spirit, a testament to their indomitable will and unwavering resolve. It is a testament to a time when the sword was not just a tool, but a way of life.